Hi, this is Julie Reynolds back for another Terrific Tip Tuesday. Today is January 6th, and welcome back after a break from the holidays. I'm going to talk for a little bit today about washi tape. A couple months ago, my daughter, who is 27, texted me, "Mom, I discovered washi tape and I don't think my life will ever be the same." And I thought, that's great. It just cracked me up, but it's so true because washi tape gives you a big splash of color really fast and easy. It's so nice to add design and color to your creations, whether they're cards or scrapbook layouts, whatever you're doing. And it's so easy because they're self-adhesive and yet they're repositionable. It's terrific. So these are just a couple of samples of things done with washi tape. Some of them are retired patterns now, but it gives you an idea. You can do lots of different things. So let's talk just a little bit about what we have for washi tape. This is our autumn-winter annual inspirations book. These are all different washi tapes, all these different patterns you can get. So lots to choose from. They're very fun, coming in two different widths, 1 inch and 1/2 inch. We also have a cool dispenser, and that can be found on page 182, item H, and it is $6.95. These are really fun, especially if you have something that you're working on a project and you're going to use multiple applications of the same tape. So it gives you a real easy way to do that. Tear it off, it gives you that nice little torn edge, and it's very handy for you. So our dispensers can either hold 2 of the narrow ones or 1 of the wide ones. I'm just going to remove that for a second here. Now, here's something else that you can do is they're magnetic, and so watch, they just snap right together. So for storing them on your countertop, your workspace, they're great. They just stay together, they're neat and tidy, not jostling all over the place. So those are great. And as far as putting the tape in, magnetic, you just simply pull the side away and slide the rings over the little spindle in there and let the side go right back to it with the magnet, and there's no notches or anything you have to match up. It just is very, very easy to use. So I like that if I'm doing something where I'm going to be using the same tape over and over and over again. Now, in a lot of situations, I am just grabbing some tape and using it for a one-time thing, and in that case, I kind of have a whole pile of them in one of my organizers, and they just kind of are in there like this, a whole bunch of them together. Now, when you go to use your washi tape, if you've used washi tape, you will know you go around and you go around and around looking for the edge, and then you find it, and then you have to pick it loose and try to make sure you get the whole width across there, because if you start peeling a little bit back, it's narrow, it tears, yada yada. Okay, so sometimes an easy way to do it is just to fold back the edge, and that way that edge is always there for you to pull up. But the trouble with that is that you lose a little bit every time. So another thing you can do is to use a paper clip, and just, if you have your raw edge there, just stick a paper clip under that, and that way it will always be ready for you to start. Look at that, so easy, and you don't waste any of it folding over the edge and that type of thing. So if you just stick a paper clip under the edge of each roll, you're always good to go. It's very, very easy. And I wanted to show you a quick something. I received a Christmas card from a Miss Linda Peabody this Christmas, and her envelope was decorated with washi tape, and I thought that is such a quick, easy thing to do. Often, here I am with a starting of a roll again. We'll stamp something on the envelope, and that's pretty. We can also just do washi tape across the corner, fold it back, or you can put it across the flap, on the back, whatever you want to do. But it gives you a nice, easy splash of color, and it's just a fun other way to use your washi tape. So, a couple storage ideas for you for washi tape, a couple applications, and remember our dispenser, which is on page 182, because you might want to check that out. Use your paper clips, cheap and easy. So, thanks for visiting Terrific Tip Tuesday. We'll see you again next week.